Hi, this is Vanessa from CollectSell.com, presenting an antique 1920s Hamilton open face pocket watch. It's a 19 jewel, size 12. The case is in very good condition, slightly worn, a little bit of wear on the back, a little bit of discoloration up here near the soldering. If we can get that in focus. The dial is in pretty good condition, minor discoloration up here near the 1 on the edge there. And some speckling down here near the 4 and a little bit by the 6 area. The movement, I guess the case has an inner case over the movement. It says to Merrill J. Trees as a token of appreciation from Illinois ETA of Phi Delta Theta, November 25th, 1922. And on the edge here it says Hamilton Watch Company, Lancaster, Pennsylvania. The movement is operating. You can see it's a 19 jewel from Hamilton. Got our serial number here, 1899093. Getting a nice tick there. Little discoloration there. Very small nick here at the base.